Yeah, can we keep going?
Yeah, start going. Well, here comes the statement show.
Go ahead.
For you, what happened to I flipped. No, come on, oh yeah, that's wait, Madison is we're right here.
All right, guys, are we moving? Are we moving?
I don't care anymore. Oh my God! She's saying like, why didn't you say nothing to her? You just lied.
There we go. We're starting to move.
Okay. Shante, go ahead. You wait. No. Oh shoot, there's one. How y'all take pictures of these kids?
A lot of light.
Don't post our video on YouTube. Well, don't post the end part where I got stuck. Don't post me getting through that hole.
Why not? No, you can say it.
Taylor, maybe it'll motivate people to get out of the hole.
You guys did good.
Wait, can someone help? Why don't you go So they're doing so good. Can you go in front of us? So are you
Here we go.
This is something we never do before. I know. No. Okay. I need to be there. So do I. Is this like actual rock?
Yeah. You see all these ridges here? Each one of them is a layer of water that was in this over thousands of years.
Has it been 4 hours yet?
Oh my gosh, what?
Nope.
Has it been an hour?
Maybe.
It's been like 30 minutes. That's it. I'm gonna read. It's been 2 hours.
Why is time like slowing down?
Because we're underground.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Totally.
No, go ahead first. Go ahead first. Oh, wow. That's how you call that. It's a novel.
Yo.
I just want to see a big ass spiral about it. I still haven't seen anybody bust their ass. Y'all, can we like get a move on?
It's hard to get through that.
Yeah. Yo, push it back down. Look at this thing.
Yo, stop, bro, stop pushing me.
Yeah, don't horse around up there, guys. Come on.
Dude, I got dust in my eyes.
No, it's not play. I'm trying to.
Yo, I don't know what.
What's up? Yes, I'll put my camera.
I'm going, Jake.
What they got me doing, bro?
Oh yeah, Jake. Yeah. We love you, Jake. We got a crawl. You're gonna do great.
It's not even a crawl. If you go under this bit, you basically like.
Yeah, you don't have to go under there.
They all just went through his rock for no reason.
I don't know why they went the hard way.
Yeah, this is like big.
Good, Jazz, I'll follow after you.
Oh! I did not know that. Oh, that's so cool. What? Ow.
I'm here, mate. James. One of my boys.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
One of my boys. I gotta feed my boys.
Okay, go ahead.
There you go.
This is cool. Oh, I gotta crawl. Like, get on my knees.
Oh, sorry, Dad.
Yes, but come this way.
Yeah, there's your hands and knees crawl up here.
Oh, in front of me.
Yeah, I'm here, mate.
Oh, is that Evan?
Piece of cake.
Wait, Shante? Go home. Yo, no, I told you to go first. What the heck? I'm trying.
I feel excited.
Yes. I can't fit through that.
Yes, you can.
Oh my god.
Yes, you absolutely
What the
can.
hell, bro?
Don't be so silly.
Oh, text? No.
Yes.
Taylor, you can fit through that.
It gets real big once you get through it.
Taylor, he said get real big when you go through.
Yes. That's my girl.
Taylor. Wait, is it like a slide? Guys, you better than me. What the heck?
Well, never having done this, these guys are doing pretty good.
Yeah, last time crawled to get back here somewhere.
Want me to push you?
The crawl thing was easy.
Yeah.
Ow!
Yeah, that was up the other side of this, yeah. I try to send them the easy way, but it doesn't seem to work out that way.
There you go.
And where's the catacomb entrance?
What's that?
The catacomb entrance? Was that the last one?
Back there where the floor is like this.
Yeah.
That's one entrance,
Okay.
and the other one is I'm trying to figure out if I can get to it from here. It's sort of like above it.
Okay.
It's hard to explain, but I think that's the one that we went in that one time.
Okay.
And then
Oh, y'all got the crispy. Baby, put it on.
I go.
All right.
Can we just chill right here?
Yeah.
Am I not water?
I don't know why you guys rolled down. I mean, I can like hang out for a second. The way to go on that way anyway.
There's a cool Taylor, look. I'm not going down there. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Pat, can you come back into this room, please? Pat, your head. Thank you. Can you guys come back this way?
You got water?
Let me just count really quick.
Oh my god.
What's
What's that? You want to do it?
Hey, come this way.
I'm quite content. I get to see them. I get to see them.
There ain't nowhere for me to sit.
You don't have to sit. You can see them.
Hey, can I see that Play-Doh? Yo, that's the cake. Luna, can I see that Play-Doh? I'll get it right now. I'm
Our children have Play-Doh pets.
right here.
BJ, look at my ball. See what happened this time? You won't let me in?
Meatball.
I guess I'm playing bocce ball.
Where your gloves? Put it down.
I'll put it.
I'll put it down.
All right, let me get up front there. We can show you where we're headed to.
No, it's
See what we're supposed to
Okay, here we go.
Y'all leave some room.
Listen up real quick.
That's what I was talking to, right?
Yo, you guys are fine. Be safe.
I'm trying to move that.
All right. There's this hallway that we're in here right now. There's another hallway that's bigger than this on the other side of these rocks. Listen up. Listen up. I'm going to tell you how to get there. There's several ways to get there. One way, an easy way is through the rabbit hole, which is right about there. You got that hole? Okay. Now,
that you looking at.
down further, Guys, please listen up, so you don't have to, I don't want to say it again. Down further, there's another hole.
I will not tell you again. Do not promo.
No, we're gonna quit if we're gonna throw things. That's not a good thing. Down further is a hole called the keyhole. All right, and it's a little bit smaller, and it's kind of fun to go through. But I'm trying to think. You would make it. You guys would make it. You'd make it. You'd make it. You'd make
I can make it.
Most of you guys probably would make it through. Huh?
Is it crawling or is it like upright?
A little bit of both. You have to see it because you go in and you go up. Okay? It's really kind of cool to do. Hold on. Let me get up front here.
Why are you holding on to yourself?
Oh, I don't want to fall. If I fall on somebody, I'll hurt you.
I want a piece of play.
Oh, let me get that.
All right, here we go. We're gonna do.
No, she said no, give them no more clay.
Here we go.
Yo!
No, it's not that deep.
Okay, this is the rabbit hole here. This is the easy way in. Okay? You guys listen?
Yeah.
That's the easy way in.
Well, that's it.
Oh yeah.
Where does that go?
What's that?
Where does that lead to?
Next hallway.
So that's where that heads to.
Yeah, they all head the same way. All right, and we go down here.
Yeah, but I'm not going through that.
But that's the fastest way, so I'm going that way. My bad.
Oh, this way. That's smallest. No, seriously. And then you gotta wait for people to know. Yeah, no. You're tripping.
Okay, this is the keyhole.
What? I know you lying. I thought he said that.
See how it looks like an old-fashioned keyhole?
Yeah.
It's wide at the top, and this gets worn away by water.
Okay, so do I go through?
What you do is you go through here, then you go up, and you're in the next hallway. Hold on, let me get a picture. You're doing this. You could do that.
I can't fit. Let me go first? Yeah, go ahead. I go. Wait, where is it? Gotta go up. I'm scared. Go ahead. No, I'm not going first. My head can't fit that in. Let one of the boys go then.
Yo, who
Listen
wanna
up,
go first?
listen. You just go through. You have to go up sideways. You
I thought no.
go sideways, and then you turn,
Go ahead.
and then you go up.
Go ahead, Xavier. Go ahead.
Okay?
So just somebody go first.
It's a challenge,
Mr. God.
but you can do it.
I'm too scared.
You guys can fit that.
Mr. God. Yeah,
You guys can do that.
Alright, who's the smallest one over here? Let's see it.
Yeah, you got that, bro.
Let's see this. See, you got it.
She said no.
No, don't rush it. Don't rush it. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Try it.
I can't fit that.
Take your time. Sideways.
Oh, hell no. I'm good. I can't fit through that. Has everybody, have people gone through that before?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Is there a way back out that's not that?
Yeah.
Alright, bro, I got it. Alright,
A couple of different ways out, back out.
Alright, bro, so let me stop being a pussy. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck.
Put one arm behind you, one arm in front. That's it.
Okay, I think I got it.
He got it.
That's it. And then just spin and go up. That's it.
Let me go.
Go. I'm going after you.
I'm gonna go after some.
Wait. What if they fall on me then?
I'm gonna go after Peyton.
You just have to catch them.
I ain't catching
I'm
nobody.
not catching nobody.
What
the heck?
Ouch. Don't fall, please.
You're doing good. Look at this. Look at this. You got this.
Oh, hell, you're not cracking.
Don't crowd. Just wait. Wait till he's done. Wait till he's done. Wait till the person in front of you is done, and then you can go through. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. Sideways. Don't rush. Don't push hard. Don't rush. You got this.
You got this, Anaya?
I can't get up. She said no.
How are you stuck?
No.
No?
I can't go through that.
Okay, well, let somebody else go through. Very good, look at that, straight through, straight through.
You don't want to do the other one with me? This is the teeny tiny one. Oh, what the hell? No. Sure.
Wait till they're done all the way and then you can go through, okay?
Go ahead.
Otherwise, they could slide down on you.
Yeah, she can't go through this one.
Pass it down to that. So if you want to try Ariana, say do this or you can go.
Come on, Peggy.
It's hard getting out.
Okay. Okay, I'm going now.
Yeah,
Try this.
I'm gonna try this one.
try it.
I'm sorry, Sarah. I'm gonna try this one.
That's it. Wait till she's up and out. Otherwise, she can slide down on you.
Wait, where am I going? I guess straight.
Up. There you go. I think she's out. Is she out?
She's going up.
There you go. Take your time.
Say, can I get a picture of you? There you go. Nice.
That's it. That's it. You're doing good.
Jazz.
Very good. You
Are
gonna
you
try?
guys all good?
All right. As soon as she's up and out.
They're all going, right? Yeah. Awesome.
I think she's out.
Yes, you got it.
That's it. Piece of cake.
Easy. Nice.
You gonna try?
I'm gonna try.
I don't know if that bag will fit.
And I'm gonna try to drag it behind me.
Okay. There you go.
Alright, will you pass me the bag?
Sure.